Greetings. Thank you for spending some of your time with me. I'm trying to be extra quiet and move silently. There are some birds outside enjoying some bird food. And I wanted to share in that moment of while birds eat and fight for the seeds. They also play with each other when one is, pecking or eating, whatever the proper word is. The other one will push it out of the way, and then they have the little bird fight, and they flutter their wings and go on with their day and go back for more. They sense me. They sense me here. So they're on guard. The dog, Boxy, is just behind me. So if she moves, then they'll definitely fly away from being startled. They're pretty to watch. Oh, see, they already sensed me. That's Boxy making noise in the background, if there's noise in the background. Oh, they're in their back. Trying to get more focused here. Apologies for the blurriness. Here we go, a little bit better. Oh, there's Boxy. Sorry about that. I love the way they look around. I like their bellies and their little feet and their beaks. They're quite beautiful. I heard once that as humans, when we have difficult or challenging times or difficulty with other people, or just individually, if we're just having a difficult moment, be like a bird and flap your wings, let it go, and keep moving forward. And I noticed that's what these birds do. So when there's one bird getting the seed food, the other bird comes in and tries to move it, then they have a little argument and they flap their wings, and then they go back just to having their own little space of eating the seeds. So if something in your life is challenging for you, or you struggle with, whatever word works for you, flap your arms, which are like your wings. Just flap them and move forward. Take a step forward. Just physically, literally, take a step forward. Then take another step forward. And see how that goes. Go for a walk. Go for a breath of air. It's a moment that helps you transition into the next moment of hopefully something that works better for you. Moments lead to time. Time leads to history and involvement. And that is from me to you.